welcome to another episode of rebuilding my Mark 5 GTI. So in this episode I want to basically complete the full car. Recently I've bought all the parts that I need in order to get this car finished, like the side wing, front bumper, fog lights, all these brackets and everything that I need to basically complete this car. So in this episode the plan is to actually finish the full car and we can get it back on the road again finally. So without wasting any time, let's start off with the video. So as you can see, we just put the fender on. The gaps are looking quite good. I can still play around with the gaps, so this gap here is actually really nice. I don't think there's much to be done on this side here. This gap can be fixed, but I'm gonna fix all the gaps at the very end when I put the bumper on and the new hood and everything. So as you can see, we do have a bit of a bigger gap here, and that's most likely because the hood has been dented, so it was hit from this side and it could have shifted the hood over to the side a bit. So once I put the new hood on and the front bumper and the lights and everything like that, I'm gonna start fixing all the gaps. But for now, this is the gap on this side, and as you can see, you can probably see here, this gap is a bit smaller than the gap here. So that looks like the hood was actually shifted over to the side during the accident. So once I put on the new hood, I'm gonna fix up all the gaps and they should be back to what they used to be like. So now we can put on the two front lights. Once I get the front lights on, that's probably gonna be it for today because it is actually late, and I'm gonna come here tomorrow morning and probably put on the bumper and the front hood, and that should be the car complete. So once I put on the front bumper and the new hood, I'm gonna play around with all the gaps, get them looking perfect, and then that should be it. I think we can start to drive the car. I do have to get an alignment, so I'll probably get that done next week, and once that's done we can make some more videos about the car. So when it comes to the lights, I did get some used lights, and as you can maybe see, these will need to be either sanded down and buffed, or we will have to sand them down again and spray them with clear coat because the clear coat here is peeling. I don't know if you can see it on camera. You can probably see the line here. So I'm going to try wet sand these and then try to polish them, and I think that should work, so I can fix them. This one is the same. I did get a good deal on these, so I decided to just pick them up and try to repair them, and I think it should be an easy repair.
I'll push everyone away, keep myself alone instead. I'm not getting any younger and my mind is turning bad. I got 2 cars in my place, they just sit outside my bed. Cause I never leave my crib, I won't never leave my bed. Mistakes, I'm
Alright, so as you probably just saw, I've brought the bumper and the front hood over here so I can start mounting them back on the car. As you can probably see right there, I did end up buying a bumper with the GT grille. It's missing the GT badge here, but the bumper is the same from the GTI and the GT models. So I do have to replace this grille, and luckily I do have the GTI grille that's right here.
Alone instead, I'm not getting any younger and my mind is turning bad. I got 2 cars in my place, they just sit outside my bed. Cause I never leave my crib, I won't ever leave my bed. Mistakes I make still haunting me. I take myself too seriously. I waste away your memory. I'll fade to grey, it's plain to see. Too far away, impossibly. You want my hand, can't give you these. Bizarre replay, you're not for me. That's all you twice, and still repeat.
Alright, so as you can probably just see, we put the front bumper on, we have the front hood as well on, and the side wing is on as well. So the only thing I'm missing is the 2 side grills, or whatever they are called. These 2 plastic grills that go on this side and this side here as well. So the only one more thing that I need to buy to put on them 2 side grills is one fog light and a bulb for the fog light as well. I did end up breaking one of the fog lights and the other one was already broken, so I did buy one, but I still need to buy another one to actually complete the full bumper. Alright, so that's the GTI basically finished, probably like 90% done. I just need to take care of some of the gaps on the panels and also buy one fog light and a bulb as well. Put on the fog lights and the bottom 2 grills that go over the fog lights, and that's it basically. The GTI is going to be complete. So that's going to be it for this video. I think we got a lot of work done and the car is basically finished, as I just said, and you probably saw throughout the video. So if you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications beside the subscribe button so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And of course you can also check out my Instagram, which I'll leave somewhere on the screen here and also in the description. So thanks for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.
Am I the one for you? You're not by my side. I feel